Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create OMR sheet in Microsoft Word document. Now this is a very simple tutorial. What I want you to do is basically this one right here. Go ahead and click the numbering right here. That's number 1, and then type here 24D. This is very important, and add 0. You can go ahead and add number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. So basically what is going to happen is you're going to highlight those, and then you're going to hit Alt X. It's going to turn into numbers, I mean letters of your choices. So that is what I am doing right here. I'm just pressing Alt X on those numbers. So yep, go ahead and copy this one, hit enter, paste, paste until you're going to reach the number that you are okay with. So after pasting, you might experience something like that, but there's actually a way to fix that. So yeah, let's go over and do that one. Let's click view, and we want to see the ruler, and then what we're gonna do is just highlight them, and then we can go ahead and just drag this one right here. So there you go. Still the same thing with number 4. Number 14. Let's go ahead and just drag that. All right, there you go. So if I paste now, oops, this one. All right, so now it is continuing. Again, everybody, that is how you are going to create your own OMR sheet in Microsoft Word.